The correlation coefficient is a very important parameter, very important variable of our portfolio model. It gives the relationship between returns between two assets. Again, it is very key in determining risk efficiency. The further away from one, the lower from one the correlation coefficient is between two assets, the more we will get, or the more risk diversification, risk efficiency we will get between two assets. Again, that correlation coefficient can range from 1 to -1. A correlation coefficient of 1 would have returns that look like this over time. Blue line is one asset, red line is another asset. As you can see, they move in lockstep for one another. Whether those returns are to the left or to the right, both of these assets in both of these situations, graph on the left is one situation, graph 2 on the right is another situation, they both have a correlation coefficient of 1. If, on the other hand, they are negatively correlated, -1, this is what those returns look like. They move in opposite directions of one another. This is the perfect world in risk efficiency. If we have the two assets that have -1 correlation coefficient, we can construct a risk-free asset as part of a portfolio. That doesn't happen. All right, getting the correlation coefficient correct is important and is often difficult. Often we see those numbers, those correlation coefficients, are coming up with them in a manner, or they're estimated to be wrong. Much of the 2008 financial crisis and mortgage portfolios had a very, very, very much lower estimate of the correlation coefficient than actually happened. In any case, correlation coefficient, a very important part of our portfolio problem.